Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 sound not working. So if you're facing that problem, I strongly recommend you to restart your device immediately. Once you have restarted your device, this might refresh your sound problem, so see if it changes anything. And if it's still not working, then you can try these fixes. So come below at the sound button, click onto your sound, and make sure this is set to full volume. Now here, select this filter-like icon. Scroll below, make sure this is full as well. If you're having problem in Chrome with the sound, also make sure that it's full volume here. Now select more volume settings. And if you're connected to any speaker, you will see it right here. Likewise, make sure volume is full, and also make sure under input the volume is full as well. Now see if it changes anything. If it's still not working, come below at the software, type in Device Manager and launch it. Now in here you will see sound, so go ahead, select sound, expand it, and you will see your Realtek audio. Right click onto it, select update driver, select swatch automatically for drivers. Wait for this to load, and once this is done, close it. Now likewise, if you have any other driver for sound, you may go ahead and update it as well. Update driver, swatch automatically, and then close. As you do that, it shall fix your problem. Thank you for watching.